So my name is John Stack. I'm the Digital Director of the Science Museum Group. And this webinar is the first of a series of events which is coming out of our project funded by the Arts and Humanities Research Councils towards a national collection programme. The name of our project is Heritage Connector, and it is looking at the ways in which linking cultural heritage collections to Wikidata and other data sets will help develop new forms of search and discovery and scholarship. So we have 8 speakers today who we are delighted to welcome, and they're the 8 people whose work we looked at as we were putting together our application for this grant. So we're going to go through a series of short presentations. The Zoom software we're using has a Q&A window, so while the speakers are talking, if you could put any questions into the question and answer window, and then Professor Jane Winters from the University of London will then field those questions to the speakers. In addition, we have, between a number of the speakers, we're going to use a software platform called Mentimeter to ask you a series of questions to get a sense of who's on the webinar and the kinds of things that you're interested in, which will help us shape our research and also help shape future events. So the first thing you need to do is to go to menti.com, which is menti.com. I will then try and share my screen. Here we go. So if you go to menti.com and enter the code 176733, and if you could then, in the next kind of couple of minutes, put in your location so we can get a sense of who is on the call. Okay, great. So we have people coming from all over the world. You'll be glad to know that if you're not in the UK, it's the beginning of summer, which means it's been raining non-stop for 2 days. It's just stopped, but it'll probably start raining tomorrow and carry on raining until August. Great, thank you. So leave that window open in your phone or your iPad or whatever, or your browser, because there's other questions coming up specifically around Wikidata. So it looks like it's more or less stabilizing now. So I'll stop sharing now and we'll hand over to our first speaker.